Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in Snapchat. So firstly open up your Snapchat, then go to your profile at the top left corner, then just click on the setting button at the top right corner. And now if you see in the settings section, you cannot see a appearance or dark mode button. Now what you have to do is click on I need help and then search how to enable dark mode. As you can see in the first result, it is said how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Just click on that. As you can see, it is written that it will be in the settings section in your profile in app appearance under your account, and what we have to do is just select always dark option. But what is the more important thing in this article is the note. As you can see in the note below, it is written dark mode is currently only available for Snapchatters on iOS. So now what can you do if you are an Android user? So there is actually a trick to do this. Just simply go back to your setting page. Now just simply go to your phone settings and just search dark mode. As you can see, it has appeared. Just click on that. And now what you have to do is simply click on dark mode. And after that, whatever Android device you may have, just click on the more option button and make sure to enable Snapchat in the dark mode option. After that, just go back to your Snapchat. As you can see, it has turned into dark mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.